Hello guys, in this video let's see a little introduction about Pillow library in Python. So what is Pillow? Okay, first question is this only. See, Pillow is a Python imagining library. Okay, okay. It is a free and open source additional library for Python programming language that adds support for opening, manipulating and saving many different image file formats. Okay, now how to install Pillow? Okay, Pillow library. So first press Windows plus R, type cmd and press enter. Now you have to type pip install Pillow. Okay, install Pillow through this command. For me, requirement is already satisfied. For you, it may take a while. Now, how to load an image? So I want to load an image. So first I will copy paste this image here and I want to load this Python image. So first import image class from pil import image. Okay, after that im is equal to image dot open an image name. Image name was I think python.jpg. Oh, it's png. Python.png. Okay, open method to load an we use open method to load an image. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, image is loaded. Now how to display an image? For that we have to write im.show because this is our variable. So im.show. See, show method will display the image. Okay. See, image is it is displaying the image. Now after that, you will see how to check the format of an image. Okay, I want to check this format. Okay, although we already know the format. For that, I will comment this because I want only to check the format. im.format. See, format method returns the format of an image. Okay. Okay, okay, sorry. It will be not like this. Okay, it is showing PNG. Let's verify it. Already we checked it. It is an PNG file, image file dot PNG. Okay, so it is telling correct. After that, we will see how to check the size of image. For that, we will do first. Let's let it be. We won't comment it. M dot size. We'll call the size method. Size method returns the size of an image. See, size is 750, 375. We can verify also. 750 into 375. Okay, it is correct. Now we will see how to check the mode of an image. So for that, same thing, im.mode. Mode is RGB. Now we will see how to crop an image. Okay, so for that we have to write some commands. Box equal to now here we in this we will define the sides of an image. 100, 100 and 400. 400. Okay, defining sides of an image. I will write also. So what is this? Okay, this here defining the sides of an image, and this crop method to crop the image. Okay, crop method to crop the image, and this is at last called the show method to display the image. Okay, I didn't saw this because I was busy in typing. Show is not defined. Okay, see the images get cropped. Now next we will see how to rotate an image. So let's comment this all. How to rotate See, rotate method to rotate the image, pass the value how much you want to rotate. Okay, we are using rotate method to rotate the image, and we are passing the value how much, at which angle we want to, how much we want to rotate. Okay, and at last call the show method to display the image. See the image get rotated 45-degree angle. Now let's see how to change the color of an image. Okay, so I will comment this. I know video is getting little longer, lengthier, but I want to tell everything in one video about basics introduction to Pillow library in Python. Okay, so how to change the color of an image? Image dot open. Okay, right to copy. I have written everything. Dot convert. See the image color get changed into black and white. Now last at last let's see how to change the resize of an image. Okay, let's comment this. See, open an image. We are opening the image. We are using resize method to resize the image and pass two parameters. We are passing two parameters, width and height. Battery is little low. No problem. And at last, we are calling the show method to display the image. see the image get resized with width 300, height 300. Okay, so if you like this video, hit the like and hit the subscribe button also. Means click the subscribe button. Okay, and thanks for watching the video. I hope that this was useful for you.